You know, when you take one of our detailing classes, our paint correction classes, the first thing in the morning, the first tool you're going to learn how to use is a rotary polisher. And here's why. There's an old saying that goes like this: use the right tool for the job. And in some cases, the rotary is the right tool for the job. And when you leave our class, I want you to be confident, not only with the rotary, but with all the tools. So we hold our classes the same time every year since 2009, and that's February, May, and September, because I find these are the months and the weekends that don't interfere with other things going on like vacations or holidays. Now, the way we're going to structure the classes for 2025 is it's a 2-day class, but if you only want to take the first day, you can sign up for just the first day. Let me tell you what the first day covers. The first day is all about paint correction and ceramic coatings. And what I do is I bring in multiple cars. Usually the first day you'll work on anywhere from 4 to 6 cars. There's no chairs, there's no PowerPoint, there's no sitting. We start early at 7:30 in the morning and work throughout the entire day, and it's all hands-on. But here's what we do. I bring in really hacked up cars for the first portion of the class, because that's where you're going to be using the rotary polisher. And of course, we switch over to orbital polishers and then do a ceramic coating. The next set of cars, I'm going to cover different topics. So the first topic is called multiple step or showcar detailing, where you got to do a lot of steps to really remove all the defects and get that thing ready for display at a car show. The next car I bring in, I'm going to bring in something that's not quite as bad shape. We're going to talk about how to do a mid-level detailing package. So if you're doing this for your own self or you're doing this for money, you're going to learn how to do showcar detailing. You're going to learn how to do a mid-range package. And then for the next topic, we're going to cover a budget package. And that's where we use a one-step AIO. And then throughout this, we cover things like glass polishing, topical glass polishing, tires and wheels, and cosmetic engine detailing. So it's a fairly well-rounded out class, and you're going to stay busy the whole day. You're going to have a lot of fun. The second day of this 2-day class, we're going to cover how to remove orange peel and surface texture via sanding by hand and sanding by machine. And for this type of thing, I bring in the real deal. So a lot of classes, you're going to work on a demo hood or a test panel. Not here. I bring in cars like this that have custom paint jobs and lots of orange peel. So you're going to learn the real deal. And the difference between working on a hood or a test panel is now you got to deal with fresh air grills, you got antennas, you got trim, you got mirrors, you got headlights, door handles. You just have antennas. You got things you got to work around. It has impact, as I like to say. And it teaches you how to be careful when you're sanding down some other dude's straight rod or muscle car. And that's when we're going to revisit the rotary polisher after we're sanding. So you learn how to pull your sanding marks out in a timely and efficient manner. Then we switch over to orbital polishers to create that hologram-free, swirl-free finish. And of course, then we seal the paint with the ceramic coating. So these are very intense and in-depth classes. They're 100% hands-on. And they're also a lot of fun. Plus, you make a lot of friends throughout the class. And again, these classes take place the same time every year, and that's February, May, and September. And they're held right here in Stuart, Florida. And when you sign up for the class, I send you an email that has all the airports, the hotels, and of course, my favorite places to eat if you want to get some good seafood while you're here. You can get more information on the Dr. Beasley's website, and I hope to see you here at a future detailing class.